Sorry if you're hearing music, let me turn off this for a second. Sizzling hot. Don't look at my wallpaper, please. Sizzling hot amplifier. Very hot, if you can tell. Oh my god. Whoa. Why I'm laughing, it's so hot. The hot that is temperature, not the hot of what you think it's hot. So, this is only playing on mono. This thing is not working, so it's not stereo. This thing is mono. I don't have the wires for that, so might as well do this. I'll push him in the corner, actually. I'll put the camera in the corner and then listen to it. And I'll use music, of course, for y'all guys. Okay. That actually scared me. I should have used Talk to a Kid. The Boys and Space Music by Subwoofer. Where do I find my bass music songs? I got bass music songs by Subwoofer. Let me on the top here because it's hot, so let me end it there. So that's the video. Hopefully you capture sound. Talking to you, camera. Hopefully you capture the sound. So yeah, bye guys. See you in the next video. Peace out. I'm sorry if I'm not posting for a long time, guys. I'm sorry for not posting for a long time, but I posted, so subscribe. Hey, goodbye.